course here's a script you can use for your channel FK iPhone about the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A40 -- Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we dig deep into the latest phones, and today we are talking about the all-new Samsung Galaxy A40 for 2025. Samsung is back with a fresh update to its popular A series, and the A40 is all about offering a premium experience without the crazy price tag. First, let's dive into the features. The Galaxy A40 comes with a sleek AMOLED display that stretches edge to edge, giving you vibrant colors and deep contrasts. The screen size feels just right, not too big, not too small, perfect for one-handed use or sliding into your pocket without any struggle. Samsung has also packed it with a smooth refresh rate, making scrolling through apps, videos and games feel buttery and responsive. Under the hood, the new A40 runs on an upgraded mid-range processor built to handle daily tasks like a breeze. Whether you are streaming your favorite shows, gaming or flipping between apps, the performance stays snappy and reliable. Plus, the battery life has been seriously improved, easily lasting more than a day even with heavy use. Fast charging is included too, so even if you run low, a quick plug-in gives you hours of use without waiting forever. On the camera side, the Galaxy A40 brings in a dual lens setup that is smarter than ever. Photos come out sharp with good dynamic range even in tricky lighting. The new night mode is a game changer if you love taking shots after sunset. Selfie lovers are also going to be happy. The front camera captures crisp and natural looking shots, perfect for your socials. Software-wise, Samsung has kept it clean with the latest version of One UI. It feels light, easy to navigate, and brings smart features like customizable gestures, better privacy controls and smooth app optimization. Samsung also promises longer software support for the A series now, which means you will be getting updates and security patches for years to come. Moving to the exterior, the 2025 A40 is a real looker. Samsung went for a minimalist design with soft curves and a slim profile that feels great in the hand. The back is made of a glossy material that catches the light nicely but does not easily pick up fingerprints, a small detail that makes a big difference. You can choose from a few fresh colors this year, giving you more ways to match your style. The build quality feels premium with tight seams and a solid feel that is usually reserved for much pricier phones. Even though it is mainly glass and plastic, it has a good weight to it, making it feel substantial but not heavy. Samsung has also added basic water resistance, which gives you a little more peace of mind against spills and light rain. There are small thoughtful touches too, like the positioning of the volume buttons and the side fingerprint sensor that is both fast and accurate. The bottom of the phone still has a headphone jack, something you do not see much these days, and that alone could win over a lot of people. Now let's wrap it up. The Samsung Galaxy A40 for 2025 is a strong contender for anyone looking for a stylish, reliable phone that does not drain your wallet. It nails the basics and even throws in a few premium touches that make using it every day a real pleasure. Whether you care about the screen, the cameras, the battery life, or just want a phone that looks and feels good without the flagship price, the A40 delivers on all fronts. That is it for today on FK iPhone. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and let us know in the comments what you think about the new Galaxy A40. Catch you in the next one. Would you also want a slightly shorter version in case you need it under around 600 words, or maybe one that's a bit more hype driven depending on your channel style?